This is Braun with R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck 2867. It's like new condition. The miles are under 500. The chassis is a 2023 E450 Ford. Overall wheelbase is 158 inches. It's 2-wheel drive. Engine is a V10 gasoline. Overall length is 272 inches. Overall height, 102 inches. Headroom is 72 inches. It's a Braun Chief XL module. It has new paint, new rotary latches and pad latches, new gaskets on all doors and compartments, new Willen sirens and speakers, new Willen LED lights, a Vanner inverter charger, new hose light HVAC system. The body configuration consists of front left compartment, forward compartment with adjustable shelf, rear left-hand compartment with 2 adjustable shelves, in and out cabinets there, new bumper with flip-up step, rear entry doors, forward and aft action areas, LSA seat, walk-through door, new attendant seat, PDQ behind the attendant seat, LS in and out cabinets, glove compartments, rear right-hand compartment, curbside door, new console, front compartment with adjustable shelf, rear compartment with slide out drawer for batteries, if you have any questions or need more information about truck 2867, please call 1-833-ReMount or visit our website www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.